Hello and welcome to Crafternoon. I am Miss Mary and I'm here to show you, teach you how to make fish puppets. There's lots of ways, but this is just one way. Some things you'll need. You'll need construction paper or thick paper. You'll need some paper that is cut into strips. You will need a googly eye and a popsicle stick and a glue stick. So make sure you have that, or glue bottle or glue stick. It's up to you, whichever works best. To get started, you're actually going to trace your hand, which is of course going to be the fish. So I'll show you how that's done. I'm going to lay my hand flat. I've got my pencil. I don't want to spread it out really wide, just kind of keep my fingers a little closely together. And I'm just going to trace around as carefully as I can over each finger. And of course I'm using pencil just in case I need to erase. All right, so there's my hand. I'm just going to connect the base. And for this next part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. And I'm actually going to put the strips. I'm going to kind of be mindful. I don't want to cover the whole paper. I think what I'm going to do, this will help me out a lot, is I'm just going to give a rough estimate of the outline. So I'm not wasting a lot of paper. Okay, now that I have that, now I can go ahead and make my stripes. And to make it easy or faster, if you want to do a little shortcut, go ahead and put a lot of glue down. And you're just going to want to spread it all out. Make sure you have enough so that the paper stripes or strips will stick on. Okay, and I'm just going to start from one end. Whoops. Ooh, there was a green hidden underneath. And move my way across. If you want to make a gap, you could. I wonder what that would look like. Maybe I'll try that. That's kind of fun. All right, and I'll use orange next with a little gap. See how that goes. And I have blue. Little gap in between. And I have pink. And I am just going to continue. And in this case, I'm going to keep the same pattern. And though I need some more glue for sure. And I'll put another green. A little gap in between. And then the red. Just like that. Orange is next. I'm going to use a little more glue. Make sure I have it from edge to edge. Just like that. I am on to blue is next. And once again, I need to reapply my glue. And keep that little gap there. All right, I've got maybe one, maybe two left. Okay, I'm ready for the pink. And I think that might be just my last one. Okay, so I have it like that. Hope I have enough glue. I'm going to carefully flip it over. Look at my tips, looks like it's okay. And now I'm going to very carefully cut the shape of my hand. It feels a little sticky on the back because of those gaps. That's okay. And I'm going to try to go around best I can. There we go. And continue on. Snip that off. That's kind of fun. And I'm going to go around my index finger. And okay, give a little tug. Oops, well, maybe I need to cut it a bit more before I tug. Let's see how that goes. Oops. Give a little snip. That's not quite my finger, so let's make it, kind of trim that triangle off at the end there. Okay, now I'm ready for this side. And my ring finger. And you might have noticed there's an extra little bulge there. That was my ring, so I think I'm just going to snip that off. And I'm going to come down on this side. Okay, give a little tug. Now I'm ready for my pinky. A bit tricky with that glue, but that's okay. I'm hoping it's going to turn out really nice. Okay, now here we go. Ta-da! Oh, that looks great. I'm very pleased about that. So, of course, this is the back of the fish. I need my googly eye up front. And I need some glue for this. I think I'll use the Elmer. You may want to use the glue stick, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to kind of put it towards the top of my fish, like that. And then I need a little piece of red. I can make like a little bit of a mouth. Let's see how I can do this. Maybe just an oval. All right. And put it down here. Okay, and for this I will use the glue stick. And let's see, how is that going to work? Oops. I think it'll work just like that. So we're almost done. We've got our mouth, we've got our eye. We just need to take the glue, the glue and glue the craft stick to the base. So let's do that. You can see what I'm doing over here. I think this might be best with the glue. If you only have a glue stick, that's fine too. And you're going to want to kind of put it in the middle. Press down tight. I want to give it a moment, oops, to stick, not to the table. Okay. And if it's stuck enough, let's see. There we go. Okay, and that is today's craft. It is a hand print fish, and it's actually a puppet, so, and that's what the craft stick's for. So I hope you enjoyed making this craft, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.